Hey, what's going on, crew? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel 7 after I've been using it for 1 month, and we're going to be taking a look at the user experience and the software after 1 month, as well as the November update. Stay locked in with me. Hey guys, what's going on, crew? Welcome back to the channel. So it's your boy Serrano. So I wanted to talk about the Google Pixel 7, and I think it's a solid device overall when it comes to the overall speeds and performance. And I really think that this device has held up over 1 month really well over time, because I felt like it was a really solid phone every day that I was using it. So over the time period of 1 month with the Google Pixel 7, my user experience has been a combination of things like browsing social media, watching a lot of videos on this device, and basically scrolling the web, doing Google searches, and a lot of navigation, as well as listening to music. So it doesn't matter whether you're using the device for text messages, emails, phone calls, or just browsing the web. You can still use it for that, or pictures, videos, and photos. And the G2 will be mapped specifically for your preference. Another thing about this device that I really like is it has every feature that a flagship device should have, like wireless charging, waterproofing, as well as a 4K camera that records in 4K 60, which we'll get into at the end of the video. So now the Google Pixel 7 is coated with an aluminum matte material on the sides, which feels cold to the touch when you leave it outside for a little next to the window, or just have it sitting in your pocket for a long period of time and you go to touch it. It gives you a nice sensation in the hand, which is really pleasing for the user experience. So I just really enjoy the overall feel in the hand when you're holding it in the metal frame, and it just feels really sturdy. This device also does have some phenomenal cameras, and the main one is a 50 megapixel sensor, which is going to shoot brilliant colors, detail, and accuracy when it comes to the overall scene mode. And even in nighttime or daytime, it didn't matter, I was able to get some really good shots. What I did like about the Google Pixel 7's image quality was that it still looked really good even when I was taking photos at nighttime. So it didn't matter that I was in an outdoor environment where it was really dark and there was a lot of shadows. The Google Pixel seemed to brighten up the images very well, and also keep an even contrast and realistic look, as well as recording in 4K 60. I was able to zoom in pretty close up and get some good detail on some of the videos. So if you made it this far in the video, you're a real one, and I truly appreciate you for coming through. I just want to remind you to hit the like button and get this video out so we can beat the YouTube algorithm, right? So when it comes to the overall software updates, like I mentioned, you're going to get 5 years of software security updates with this device, and it also does include 8 gigabytes of RAM for really good optimization, packed with the Titan M2 security chip for a really solid experience when it comes to the overall protection of this device. And then you're getting the Google Tensor G2, which is going to be powering it under the hood. Now, the reason why this device seems to be one of the best Google Pixel devices I've ever used is because it's well balanced in every single area, especially when it comes to the optimization of the battery. The overall software experience is really quick, and the 90 Hertz refresh rate on the panel makes the user experience flow without any issues. So using social media on here was liquid smooth. Browsing my banking apps and getting from point A to B was a cinch. And so everything that I was trying to do on the Google Pixel 7 seemed to flow like butter, and I had no issues using it on a day-to-day basis. Now, there was one thing that I did enjoy using on the Google Pixel 7 for 1 month overall, and that would be the face unlock and the fingerprint sensor. So even if I was using the fingerprint sensor as my primary unlock method for, you know, social media and banking apps or anything to that extent. The Face ID did also offer a really quick and a reliable backup. Now, this device does learn your behaviors every single day when you're using the battery as well as the overall processor. So if you're the type of person who likes to game a lot, the battery will adapt to that type of usage. Or if you're the type of person who just likes to text message and make phone calls, the device will also adapt to your performance in that scenario. So I really did enjoy the fact that the battery life was optimized to my personal usage as well, and the control panels were easy to get to. All the buttons were easy to see and visually pretty pleasing. The colors in the screen on the display looked vibrant, and compared to my TCL Stylus 5G, you can see the screen was definitely, in the blink of an eye, it was just getting from the next screen very quicker than the other one. So I did enjoy the Google Pixel 7 after 1 month, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and make sure you follow me on social media. But I'm going to get right back with you. I just want to remind you to hit the like button, and I'll check you guys later, okay? Peace.